In this video, I'll demonstrate how to easily type the Yen symbol on your iPhone. Make sure to attend till the end to avoid any mistakes. You can quickly type the Yen symbol using the default iPhone keyboard. And I'll guide you through the process. First, open any app that allows you to use the keyboard, such as the Notes app. Then bring up the keyboard by tapping in the text field. Next, tap 1, 2, 3 button to switch to the alternative keyboard layout. Here you can enter any number if needed. To find the Yen symbol, long press the dollar sign icon. If you just tap it once, it will insert the used symbol. If you just tap it once, it will insert the USD symbol, but by a long press you'll see a selection of symbols. Simple, slide your finger without letting it until you found the Yen symbol, and then realize to paste it. If you found this video helpful, please give it thumbs up.